Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Algebraic Fractions Part 2 Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. Now, if you're not sure how to proceed, there is a lesson on this, and you can access that lesson by going to the next slide and clicking on the available link. That will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So this lesson here is similar to a previous lesson we had, so the principles are exactly the same. The important thing is to look at the denominators for each of the algebraic fractions, and we have to go through a process where these denominators end up to be the same, and then we're allowed to add the algebraic fractions together. The way we do this, we look at the 4 and the 3, for example, and we find the lowest common multiple, that is the LCM, and all that means is the lowest number that 4 and 3 will divide into, and that will give us the common denominator. And the video explains how to go about that and then how to proceed through the calculations. It's exactly the same here. The lowest common multiple of 2 and 3, once we find that, then we proceed through our calculations. And the video very clearly explains what we do. It's exactly the same here. Now, here we've got 6 and 9. If you go 6 nines are 54, now 6 and 9 will divide into 54, but that's not the lowest common multiple. When you find the lowest common multiple, it makes your working easier. So remember, find the lowest number that 6 and 9 will divide into. It's the same here. Over here, it's exactly the same principle. We just have 3 numbers involved, and here is the last one. We find the LCM of 6, 5 and 8, and then proceed through the calculations as we have shown on the lesson. So this video has given us a basic worksheet where we can practice adding and subtracting more involved algebraic fractions, and if you need some help, just go to the next slide and click on the link. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples.